Hi mga beshi! Welcome and welcome back sa aking channel. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, I'm Cent D. And for today's episode, gagawa tayo ng Chicken Pesto Pasta. Yung written ingredients ay makikita sa description box. Kung hindi alam kung nasaan ang description box, ito po yun. Click mo lang yan, okay? For the ingredients, we need chicken breast, penne pasta, cheesy pesto sauce, garlic, olive oil, water, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So first, lutuin muna natin yung pasta. Sa isang pan, ilagay yung 1 liter of water. Next, lagyan natin ng cooking oil. This is optional. Lagyan din natin ng konting salt. Then, antayin natin kumulo. Kapag kumukulo na, ilagay na natin yung 250 grams penne pasta at lutuin for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, i-check yung pasta kung luto na and then i-drain. Pagkatapos, i-set aside. Ngayon, i-marinate natin yung chicken breast. Lagyan ng salt, black pepper, garlic powder, at 1 teaspoon ng pesto sauce. I-marinate natin yung chicken for 15 minutes bago natin lutuin. Now, i-fry na natin yung marinated chicken breast. Ilagay na natin yung 1 tablespoon olive oil. Antayin nating uminit bago natin iprito yung chicken. Pag mainit na yung oil, i-fry na natin yung marinated chicken breast. At habang pina-fry natin yung chicken breast, if you haven't subscribed sa aking channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, then click all para updated kayo pag mayroon tayong bagong upload. Tapos, flip natin yung chicken breast para maluto naman yung kabilang side. Pagluto na, i-turn off na yung stove, kuhanin na yung chicken breast and then set aside. Now, lutuin natin yung sauce. So, sa isang pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pag mainit na yung oil, ilagay na natin yung garlic. Then, ilagay na natin yung 180 grams cheesy pesto sauce. Then, lutuin lang natin yung sauce for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pagluto na yung sauce, i-turn off na natin yung stove and then ilagay na natin yung cooked pasta. Mix lang natin until well combined. Ito na ang ating finished product mga beshi, our very own Chicken Pesto Pasta. If you have questions or suggestions, just comment down below. And if ito-try nyo itong recipe na to, please don't forget to tag me sa aking mga social media accounts. Again, thank you so much for watching. Keep safe. God bless. Bye!